Many people think that starting a new business is only for the young and ambitious. But what if I told you that starting when you're over 50 could actually be your secret weapon? I truly believe that starting a Texas notary business at 50 plus is not a limitation, but an advantage. You've had years to develop skills, build build a network, and gain valuable life experiences that can be leveraged to create a successful business. Why do I believe this? Because I did it. I started my own Texas notary business when I was in my early 50s. I'll be sharing my experience throughout the video. I've been in the Texas notary business for over 10 years now. There is a common misconception that older adults are too set in their ways to learn new things, especially technology. But let's be real. Technology is more user friendly than ever, and it's not about being a tech wizard anyway. It's about being willing to learn and adapt. Plus, you can operate your notary businesses on a local level so you can focus on building relationships and providing excellent customer service without having to be a tech expert. This is especially true if you decide to start a mobile notary business. By the way, if you find that you are interested in becoming a mobile notary, I was invited to speak at a Texas notary conference held by the Texas Secretary of State a few years ago. I did a presentation on how to start a mobile notary business in Texas. There is a link in the description. Another misconception is that starting a business later in life means you're too late to the game. But the truth is, many successful businesses are built on the foundation of years of experience and wisdom. At 50 and older, we've had time to refine our skills, build a network, and understand what truly matters to us in our community. Some people might think that older entrepreneurs lack the energy and drive to start a new venture, but I believe that's a myth. Many people in their 50s and beyond have a renewed sense of purpose and passion and are more motivated than ever to create a business that reflects their values and goals. Starting a Texas notary business at this age also brings several benefits. For one, you have the flexibility to set your own schedule, which is perfect for those who want to balance work and personal life. Additionally, the startup costs are low compared to other startups, which means you can start small and scale up as you grow. And let's not forget the ability to leverage your life experiences to connect with clients and provide a level of service that younger entrepreneurs might not be able to match. Now, let's talk about life experience and wisdom. I heard a famous comedian by the name of Richard Pryor say, "There is no such thing as a wise young man." I take that to mean that you can't learn or buy experience. Experience is something that you live through. There is value in our 50 plus life experiences, especially in the area of decision making and customer interactions. Life experiences play a huge role in decision making skills and also in how we interact with individuals. We have much more experience at making decisions and customer interactions at age 50 versus age 20 or 30. Those of us over 50 have a unique set of skills that come with experience and age. We also have the ability to relate to our client base with empathy and understanding. As a notary over 50, You may have experienced similar situations that your clients are currently facing. You may have experienced similar legal matters, illnesses, family issues, child related issues, car issues, home repair issues. The list goes on. As a notary, your clients will open up to you and trust you. So don't be surprised when a client starts sharing personal information during appointments. Many of us in this 50 plus demographic have raised children and are now enjoying our grandchildren. I have gone on numerous appointments and listened to clients talk about their teenagers, and I could relate through shared experiences of when my children were teenagers. At 50 plus, you've accumulated valuable life experiences that can enhance your professionalism and credibility. I think as a society, we are subconsciously wired to trust older people. When it comes to getting something notarized, especially if it's an important document, people just feel comfortable when an older person shows up. No disrespect to my younger notaries. Also, I'm constantly being told by notary clients that I remind them of an older relative or a close family friend, mother's best friend. All the time, I look like somebody. I remember going to one client's house to notarize a document, and they had two beautiful toddlers, a boy and a girl. The boy was the oldest. He looked to be about 3 or 4 years old, and the little girl was about 2. I greeted both kids when I went in, and the little boy was happy and super friendly, but the little girl just started crying and running away when she saw me. So the little boy had assessed me through a brief conversation, and he told the little girl, "You don't have to be scared. It's just a grandmother." I thought that was so cute. Usually, those of us over 50 have been in the workforce for a number of years. So we've established personal and professional networks. By this age, we built a substantial network of contacts that can hopefully provide referrals or even become clients. We are savvy enough to leverage our existing connections for business referrals and opportunities. We have built trust and relationships. We have long-standing relationships that foster trust, making it easier to gain clients' confidence. We've associated with a number of people over the years and have a pretty decent reputation. We should be able to transfer those relationships to business relationships. The reason why you want to do that is because people like to do business with people that they know. And the only way you are going to succeed is by letting people know you are in business. You can utilize past work experiences and skills in your notary business, especially the soft skills, knowing how to communicate, listening, but also other organizational skills, computer skills, management skills. I have had the pleasure of teaching hundreds of Texas notary students how to become successful Texas notaries. I have had students who, after completing my Texas notary training course, to specialize in particular niches like mobile notary work or loan signing work or online notary work. Many of my students over 50 were able to take their years of experience and turn them into a successful venture that brought them fulfillment and financial freedom. So I recommend you get started today. I have a video on how to become a Texas Notary Public. I have a link in the video description. I also have included a link to our Texas Notary Public Professional Training Academy, where you can go register for training. In conclusion, starting a Texas notary business at 50 plus is not only possible, but it can be the perfect opportunity to leverage your experience, skills, and passion to create a successful venture that brings you fulfillment and financial freedom. So, what do you think about starting a business later in life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about being a Texas Notary Public and starting your own business, be sure to check out any other videos on the topic. Thank you for watching. And if you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you can learn more about the Texas Notary business.